I don't know why God always takes the good ones first. And man, I've tried to be strong and carry on, but damn, this hurts. And I just wish that I could talk to you again somehow, some way, even if it's for a moment, so I can hear you say, don't cry for me, I'm alright. Yeah, I'm better than you know. And this life can be a shorter ride, so don't waste it on sorrow. And just hold on to those moments and the memories we shared. We're both headed for the same place anyway. I just beat you there. I know they say, just give it a little time, you'll be okay. But that might be true. It don't really help me today. And we ain't supposed to question the man upstairs, but there's just so much I don't understand. It just don't seem fair. Don't cry for me, I'm alright. I'm better than you know. And this life can be a shorter ride, so don't waste it on sorrow. And just hold on to those moments and the memories we shared. We're both headed for the same place anyway. I just beat you there. And as each day goes by, I get a little bit stronger, but that don't stop me from wishing you were here a little bit longer.
Tell me, what does it look like in heaven? Is it peaceful? Is it free like they say? Does the sun shine bright forever? Have your fears and your pain gone away? 'Cause here on earth it feels like everything good is missing since you left. And here on earth everything's different. There's an emptiness. Oh, I hope you're dancing in the sky. I hope you're singing in the angels' choir. And I hope the angels know what they have. I'll bet it's so nice up in heaven since you arrived. So tell me, what do you do up in heaven? All your days filled with love Are you more alive? 'Cause here on earth it feels like everything good is missing since you left. And here on earth everything's different. There's an emptiness.
I was like, I'm pretty sure something.
Because I don't know Zoom Nation. And I know it's from everybody. Thank you. Because it's like such a cool card. Yeah, all the gems are people. Yeah, I figured that. Like where the people live. Isn't that cool?
All the people in Michigan.
Yeah, I know we have a lot in Michigan and Florida.
Yeah.
That is amazing. And Texas. Think of your names. That's awesome. Thank you. This is amazing. I'm gonna keep this card forever. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Terry Green. I bought a Cricut Explorer 1 in 2016 and started watching this funny lady with the pink and blue hair, Melody Lane, who made me laugh, cry, and love her more every time I watched her, and then met her on the Zoom she provided for us. I considered her to be one of my best friends. She was a small woman, but was mighty like a tall oak tree. She gave her time and talents to all of us, and didn't really expect anything in return. Who gives thousands of dollars away on their 50th birthday? Melody Lane did. That's who. Melody, I'll always love and try to emulate you. Goodbye, my sister and friend. I'll see you in the next life.
Thank you for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it. See, they still can't see me talking. They can't see my mouth moving.
Your whole mouth is moving.